In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for a Wise card. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to sign into your account, and then from here, from the dashboard, the Home tab, you want to go to this Cards button over here on the left, and then inside Cards, you want to go and click on Order a Debit Card. Now, from here, you're going to have two options. You have digital only, or you have physical, which of course digital is free, but physical costs from €6 up, okay? So it's completely up to you, whichever one you want to apply for. I'm going to click on physical over here, and whenever you do this, you can basically select whichever one you want here. I'm going to go with the standard, so I'm going to click on Get Your Standard Card. And whenever you do this, it's going to take you to a separate step where you basically have to type in your delivery address. So type in your delivery address, click on continue over here. And whenever you've done this, you want to choose your delivery method as well. So you could go, of course, standard post or DHL or whichever one is supported by your country. And then click on continue yet again. And then it's going to basically ask you how you want your name to appear on the card. So just click on continue yet again as well. And then there we go. You're going to have to set a new PIN code for your card like this, and you have to just repeat it once again and then click on continue again. And there we go. This is now going to be kind of your order summary, and whenever you've done this, you're going to have to basically check if everything is correct. If it is, just click on continue over here, and then what you have to do is just verify your identity. So you're going to have to switch to your smartphone to basically take photos of your ID document and your face, and whenever you've done that, you'll be able to order your card. Okay, so if you don't have a verified account, you won't be able to do this, but if you verified the account earlier already, then this step is going to be able to be switched, and you'll just be able to pay for your card, and it's going to be on its way. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.